Good morning, teacher. My name is Abigail Pinto. Beat, beating, golpear. Baking, bacon, become, empezar. Bet, apostar. Bite, beaten, morder. Blow, blow, soplar. Break, broken, romper. Bring, traer. Build, construir. Burn, quemar. Bought, comprar.